Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to export AutoCAD 3D model into Navisworks model. I have this 3D model and I want to make the Navisworks review of this 3D model. For that we have to click here on AutoCAD, click on export, click on other formats, and here you have to change the extension. 3D WF is supported by Navisworks Manage to convert the Navisworks file. So I will select this one 3D DWF, and you have to give the location of your file. So this is my location. I will simply save. You can see that the file is exported. This DWF file is from AutoCAD and this .rvm file is from Viva 3D. So now we have to open Navisworks Manage. And once we open the Navisworks Manage under the Home, we have to click here Batch Utility. And you have to select your folder. And this is my folder. And this is my file. I have to click on the file, add files here. And below here, we have to give the location of your output file. So this is the location of my file. And I will give the name of this file piping model.nwd file, and this file is supported by the Navisworks. Then click run command here. Now you can see that the Navisworks file is created. I will close this one. Now click on open, and here we have to select all files here and click on piping model and open. You cannot see, we have to change the background color. Right click, background, change graduated, apply OK. And here we will change the color of the vessel and the piping. You can see that these are solids. Right click, override item, color, same way piping. Convert the AutoCAD model into a Navisworks review file. So later on, we can merge this equipment with larger piping or different models. So this is how we can convert AutoCAD file into Navisworks file.